Atoms, pure and mixed. Gold and silver are elements. Elements is how to say elements. When every atom is a gold atom, it is called 24 karat gold. I don't think I need the called there. It is 24 karat gold. Carat. 24 karat gold is pure gold. So 24 karat gold is an element. 22 karat gold has copper mixed in. Copper. 22 karat gold is a mixture of gold and copper. Mixture. Yes, I think it's called carats because of carrot seeds, the weight of them. Anyway, have to look that up. Write me something in comments if I'm right, if my memory serves me well. Cooking gas is hydrogen. Hydrogen. Hydrogen gas is an element. Every atom in an element, in the element hydrogen, is a hydrogen atom. Bottom gas is hydrogen mixed with other gases. Farts. You breathe out into your lungs. You breathe air into your lungs to get oxygen. Oxygen. Oxygen is an element. Air is a mixture of the elements oxygen and nitrogen. Yes, with a little bit of carbon dioxide and argon 1%, carbon dioxide 0.03%, because all the plants are getting the carbon dioxide out of the air. Although, of course, with global warming, that's gone up because people are using and wasting electricity. Elements are billions of one type of atom. The balloons that go up are full of helium. Helium. Helium is an element. Elements are one scientific word. Scientific. Gold equals element. Gold oxide equals mixture. Oxygen equals element. Air equals mixture. Because there's air, oxygen in it mixed up with other stuff. The lightest metal is lithium. Lithium. Lithium is the element used to make mobile phone batteries. Yes, because you want them to be light batteries. You don't want to have the lead acid batteries that they used to use in petrol cars. More and more they're using no longer lead acid batteries, which are heavy. They're using lithium batteries in cars. And of course, the petrol car is on the way out. Same with the diesel car. Oh, good, because it was making loads of particulates as well as carbon dioxide. In the future, probably all cars will be electric. Drinking milk gives you the mineral called calcium. Calcium. Calcium is an element. Boron, one scientific word, is 100% boron atoms, so it is an element. Elements are billions of one type of atom. There is a yellow powder around volcanoes. Volcanoes. The volcano yellow powder is sulfur. Sulfur. Americans spell it without the pH, just with the F. Oh, there it is. Sulfur is one scientific word, so it is an element. Americans spell sulfur with an F. 78% of the mixture of gases in air is nitrogen. Nitrogen. The amount of the element oxygen in air is more in forests. Trees use carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Yeah, the photosynthesis. The 5-cent coin in America is called a nickel. Nickel. Yes, because it contains quite a lot of nickel in it. Nickel is one chemistry word, so it is an element. The mixture of metals in coins is an alloy mixture. There's nickel with copper, and some others. Distilled water is 100% H2O. H2O is 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom joined with a bond. Different atoms bonded together is called a compound. Compounds have 2 chemical words. Water should be called dihydrogen oxide. Dihydrogen oxide is 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, H2O. Yes, but people still call it water most of the time. Red tube lights are called neon lights. Neon. That's better. Neon is an element. 1%, yeah, you can get it out of air. It's less than 1% of air. 1% of the mixture of gases in air is the element called argon. Argon. Yes, that's why argon is so cheap, because you can just get it from the air. They put it into light bulbs so that the light bulb will last much, much longer. Helium, neon and argon never react, so they never make compounds. Yes, helium, neon and argon, krypton and xenon, they don't want to be with a metal or a non-metal. They don't react. They're always in ones. Just the atom floating around on its own. The silver-coloured liquid in hospital thermometers is called mercury. Mercury. Yes, they're using the red-coloured ones nowadays because too many people bit into the thermometer, glass all around their mouths, lots of blood. But the mercury would then go on to possibly cause some poisoning. Anyway, people were afraid of mercury because they know it's a poison. So now we use the red liquid glass thermometers called... well, the red liquid inside is alcohol and a food colouring. Less poisonous, still loads of glass. Don't bite your thermometers. Mercury is an element. Alloys are mixtures of metals. Carbon is the exception. Carbon is a non-metal in the iron alloy called steel. Steel can have more carbon or other metals added into the mix. Steel is a mixture. Coins are alloy mixtures of the metal elements nickel, copper, zinc and tin. Now, zinc and tin are the most expensive ones, so they're the ones you don't have so much in, but they make the coin last much longer, so it's worth putting a tiny amount in. These are the non-metal elements. Oxygen, sulfur, the English spelling, hydrogen. Yeah, there are others. These are the noble gases that never react, so they never make compounds. Helium, neon, argon, krypton. Circle the compounds, rectangle the elements, underline the mixtures. Oh, okay. Okay, oxygen is an element. So what am I doing with elements? Rectangle the elements. Oxygen. Hydrogen is an element. Element, single word. Oh, gold. Scientific single word. Mercury. Scientific tin. Okay, there. Oh, neon. They're the elements. Circle the compounds. Iron oxide. 2 words make a compound. Compound. Oh, distilled water is dihydrogen oxide. It's a compound, H2O. Oh, nickel. That's another element. H2SO4. That's sulfuric acid. That is a compound. I'm after compounds. Under hydrogen sulfide. That's a compound. 2 words. What am I doing with the mixtures? Underline the mixtures. Air is a mixture. 20 karat gold is a mixture of copper. 24 karat gold. Ah, that's an element of gold. Seawater is a mixture of salt and water. Oh, underline. Steel is a mixture. Put the L there. Cool. Good. Did you spot, Neon, did you spot the one mistake I made on purpose? Write me a message if you saw it. Who's going to be first? Where will you be? Press my picture in the circle to get more of my videos. Press like, press subscribe. Bye!